ADV Gourmet here, and today we're hanging out in my garage. I have a T7 behind me, and my back brake light a little loose, so I'm gonna have to take off some of the plastics back here to get to the bolts that I need to get to tighten. I think when I put either tighter tail on the Camel ADV or this Camel tank, didn't tighten the bolts down, enough, which I doubt, but it probably came loose because I didn't put any Loctite on. So I'm gonna put some Loctite on. Maybe take you guys along on that journey. I'm not sure or not. But what I wanted to do today was talk to you about my Camel tank. I get a lot of people ask me about it. I've had it on my 2020 Tenere 700, and after my accident, I took it off the Tenere 2020 and I put it on the 2024. So right there, that tells you that I must like it, and I do. I thoroughly enjoy it. Love the distance it brings, in your rides, especially when you're out on a trail or such. You don't have to worry as much about making it to that next fuel stop, or you can make it longer distances. It holds 1.4 gallons of fuel. I'll put the liters down below. And some people ask me, is there a weight difference because it's only on the left side of the bike? And truly, I haven't found any difference in the weight distribution of the bike. So I would say no. Haven't really had to change my sag of the bike because, a little bit of extra weight back there. It's a couple pounds, not that much. Whatever 1.4 gallons, weighs, I'm not sure. I'll put that down below as well. But I love it, to be honest with you. Pretty simple. Works from two hoses, essentially. You got a main feed hose down here that feeds it into the tank, and then you've got a vent hose up at the top. Essentially, you take a little filter off the other side of the bike, plug one end into the top, plug one end into the bottom, and essentially, as long as there's no kinks or anything, it vacuum fills the tank at the top. And what I like about it is that this actually is used first. So before you ever even use, or it looks like you've used any gas on your gas gauge, you've gone a good distance. So it just makes trips a lot more enjoyable. I can really tell when I ride with other people that have smaller tanks, they have to stop more often, to get gas, which sometimes isn't a problem. Every once in a while you need to stretch your legs, get you a snack, maybe a cold drink. But, there's other times when I'm out on the trails and there's no gas stations in sight, and I have enough, petrol to get myself to that next gas station. So that's what I really like about it. Besides, Camel ADV, they make a quality product. It's awesome built. I think those guys do a great job on their YouTube channel as far as install videos, so I'm not going to go really into the installing of the Camel tank, but it's definitely awesome. If you have a T7, and I think they make it for some other bikes too, check out Camel ADV. This is not a paid promotion. They have nothing to do with this video. This is just me buying a product with my own money and loving, the result that's give me. I have a bunch of Camel ADV parts. I think they make very high quality, durable, and dependable parts. Tidy tail, since we're talking about it, I'll go into a little bit. We got their skid plate. I think the skid plate was awesome, or is awesome. I like it because it actually protects the linkage, I think, a little bit better. There might be some now, but when I first got my Tenere in 2020, there's definitely was far superior, in my opinion, than some of the other ones that I saw out there. So that's why I went with them. Other than that, I got their brake pedal. I think that's high quality, very well built. Actually, went through a crash. Didn't even really get bent that much. I think I barely bent it, just a little bit back. And I got hit on the right side. So that tells you high quality. Good products coming out of Canada up there in the Northwest. But anyhow, you ADV hooligans, hope you enjoyed, hearing about the Camel Tank, and look for more videos like this coming up. If you haven't already, go check out Camel ADV and like and subscribe here. I appreciate you guys watching, and until next time, boys and girls, I'll see you hooligans out on the trails. Peace.